Hey, what's up YouTube? Tony here. Today I'm going to break a box of 2014 Vegas Baby from BenchWarmer, Series 3. I've never broken this box, so this will be a first time. But before that, I want to announce that I'm going to be doing another case break of BenchWarmer, another old product that I found. It's a 2010 BenchWarmer Vault. It is actually not a sealed case. And the person who sold it to me stated that it's not a sealed case, but it is 20 boxes in the case. So what I'm thinking is that it was probably tampered with, and they probably removed the heavy boxes from breaking a lot of BenchWarmer bulk. I know that the BenchWarmer bulk boxes that have the heavy, that are heavy, are the ones that usually have the case hits, which are the swatches and the autograph kiss cards. So we'll see what happens with that. Anyways, let's go ahead and break this box. This is from 2014 BenchWarmer Vegas Baby. And here's the back. It's got Shelby Chestnuts, Playboy Playmate, and there's a few of the stuff we can expect to find. The 101 bracelet will be cool. That would be awesome. Anyways, let's go ahead and open this baby up. All right, wish me luck. You guys ready to see some girls in bikini? All right, let's see what we got. First time breaking this product. All right, there's a card that's stuck in there, so we'll have to get it last. All right, first up, we got Brandy Grace. Let's make sure it's focused. Brandy Grace. There's the back to that. Pretty nice. Next up, we got Tiffany Top. There's the back to that. She looks a lot like Kennedy Summers. A lot like Kennedy Summers. They could be sisters. Next we got Camille Anderson. Camille Anderson. Booyah. Next we got Kayla Collins. I think I like her better as a blonde. Kayla Collins. Next we got Stacy Fuson. Alright, Stacy Fuson. Next we got a very popular girl, Jessica Burciaga. Pretty cool. Booyah. She reminds me like of a young Jennifer Lopez. So Jessica Burciaga. Next we got our number card. Sets of 11, Shannon Malone. It's a pretty nice number card there. Alright. What do we got over here? One card over here. We got another number card, 7 out of 11, Lana Kinnear. Pink ink auto. All are on-card autographs. Pretty cool, Lana Kinnear. Let's get this one out. Okay, then we got Michelle McLaughlin. Very nice. Love what she's wearing there. Some lingerie action there. Alright. Now for the big hit, the money cards, we got Athena Lundberg, 2 of 7 sports book. And on the back, there's the back. So Athena Lumberg Sportsbook. And ooh, we got two more cards. Wow, let's save that one for last. We got a preview card of Claudia Jordan from hockey, 2014 hockey, BenchWarmer hockey. So Claudia Jordan, booyah! I think she was a Price is Right girl, one of the Barker Beauties. I think that's what she used to do. And we got an awesome swatch. It's damaged though. It's a triple swatch with Aubrey Lemon, April Scott, and Lisa Glee, 7/7. But as you can see, it's damaged right here. Yep. Oh well. But it's a triple swatch. It's a pretty nice swatch. Pretty nice swatch. Booyah. So there it is. That was our big hit. Fortunately, it's damaged. Anyways, there you have it. That was my first unboxing of this product, Vegas Babe from BenchWarmer 2014. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you on the case spray. All right, thank you.